Guys, what we got here today is about a year and a half year old doe, and we're fixing to get ready to skin it up. We already got her, and we're fixing to go, show you how to skin a deer.
You can buy me a boat, you can buy me a truck to pull it, you can buy me a Yeti 110.
If you want to get on this side, Zach, basically if you got it on the ground, you're going to need some help, so you need somebody to grab that leg and lift it for you. Basically what you want to do is do a cut, from this joint right here all the way down to right here. So basically and you just go around here and just make you a circle. You just work this all the way around. Let me see here. Trying to cut a piece so we can get a little grip on it. Hold it, Zach. Just what you're gonna do is just go all the way around this deer. Come on this side. If you got somewhere to hang this deer up, it'd be a huge plus for you. Otherwise, you're gonna have to have some help. Dog's barking. She don't like to be tied up, but I don't want her chewing on this deer. So basically what you do is just pull and go in there with a knife, pull and go through there with a knife, pull. I'm not really trying to save this hide. If you're trying to save this hide for tanning purposes, you want to do it a little bit slower, but I don't care much. I don't care for this hide. So if I have a hole in it, it bother me none. But I try to avoid putting holes in it so I don't have hair all over the meat. She got quite a bit of fat. It's gonna be a cold year. That's a lot of fat. I ain't never killed one with this much fat on it. We are here in the south, so it's a lot of fat for us. Up north, that's normal. Canada, that's nothing. Need more fat. Alright, Once you get here, basically this leg is finished. So I just go around this joint, both sides, all the way around it. Just twist it, snaps off, cut it, come back up. There's a piece of bone here that connects this joint. So you just cut right here, see that bone? This was connect that leg back here. Put a hole in it, have a place to hold it. And there's this hip bone right here. Basically, I'm just going around this hip bone, taking as much as meat I can out. And that's freed up. Just need to be washed up. If you're going to put it in the freezer, very easy to do. Just cut here and cut back here. And this way you can bend this leg and it don't take a whole lot of room in your freezer, or you can just, it'll be chunked like this. So that's the leg. Here you go, Taha. Basically the same exact thing. Come on this side, Zach. Hang on. What we're gonna do here, let go. Just cut a circle like we did in the front, all the way around. And go down this blade. Hold it, Zach. If you got a place to hang it up on a tree or something, you'll be cutting yourself a whole lot of time. Unfortunately, I don't have any trees. I'm working on building me a place where we can hang up the deer, and we're gonna shoot a video about that for you. How to make your own, basically, spot where you can hang the deer up. Just down here, just go down with it, all the way down with the skin, and just peel it back and stay as close as you can to the skin. You keep as much as meat you can. I go on the other side. Zach likes to sit down, so every time he comes to this side, he sits down. Tell you what, I've seen people that go in there, kill these deer, cut the back straps out, cut the two hind quarters out, and throw everything away. I don't believe in that. I believe that's wasting meat. There's a lot of people on this earth that are poor that would love to have some of this meat, and there's some people out there that just throw 90% of this deer in and just waste it. Go on the other side. This is called the brisket. A lot of bow hunters make this shot, and they shoot them low and they hit this, and basically you're doing nothing but hitting fat. This is nothing but fat. They go pull their arrow, and their arrow have nothing but grease on it. And look, we took about over half an inch, and it's still fat. So you ain't gonna kill that deer hitting them right here. You gotta be up behind that shoulder. So if you shoot at a deer and have an arrow full of fat, that's where you hit them at. I've tracked a lot of deer for people, and every one of them will tell you go on the other side. They call you up, say, hey, I need you to come track this deer for me. And you say, where do you hit it at? And the first thing they tell you, right behind the shoulder. Well, that don't make no sense. You hit a deer right behind the shoulder, you took out both lungs, that deer ain't going nowhere. And 99% out of 100, it'll end up being broke leg, shot in the butt, shot in the split toe, deer limping away, and they tell you he was shot double lunged. Once you get here, you just go in here and cut this out. Hold this, Zach. Let me go up with this hide. All right. You got this side, basically this whole side is done. What I do is I go ahead and take the back strap out. I'm gonna work this side out, take this one back strap out from this side. And basically, if you peel this meat off here, this fat and skin right here, this piece right here, you got that backbone, you got this rib cage, this piece that goes from right here all the way back here, it's the back strap. So you just go in here, all you gotta do, work it against that bone. Get some of this hair off. I'm just in a hurry before it gets dark. It's kind of chilly. I'm ready to finish this deer. So just go along here, go on that back strap. That's it right here, basically. Right, we got this meat cleaver here. A lot of people throw this stuff away. We don't. You know, I mean, there's a lot of good meat here, and we just need to clean it up from the hair, you know, and cook it up. So basically, what you do here, you just cut this out. See all that meat, and just go along this rib cage. just go straight down the middle. Just chopped up the heart. All right. Give me a bag. All right. Once you got this side done, what would you do is take this hide, flip it over to cover this side so you don't mess up. If you want to take some of that meat, take the deer and do the same thing over on this side. So please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thank you all for watching.